Next door, despite getting stuck in last night,
Such heavy sheets.
We were hanging sheets, baby. Look at the guns.
Matt's facing another day of hanging gyprock.
It is huge. There's so much plasterwork, it's not funny.
On one room, putting a smile on Elisa's dial, is the ground floor powder room.
My vision was, in a powder room, you can go all out in it and make it as moody and as sexy as possible.
And sexy means dark floor tiles, a single vanity with black tapware, and a wall of metallic hexagon tiles that have got Elise hot and bothered.
That's for our powder room now.
Gorgeous,
This can be quite dark and moody.
This week I've chosen a tile that gives you that bumchicle wow feel, like it's hot.
The powder room's waterproofed and Tyler Adrian's here ready to be bowed chicka wow wow. But
Calling Elise because the tiles haven't arrived yet, but she told me they should be here this morning.
Oh, Struth. The tiles, what a saga.
or more like a case of the tile files. Oh, close enough.
Tiles were meant to be there at 11 o'clock. Our tile arrived at 11:30.
They're not here yet, so I looked around everywhere, high and low, but there's nothing around, so I've got to give her a call and see what's going on.
The person you are calling is not available. Message, and it will be sent as an audio message.
He waited.
Elise?
Hi, mate.
There you go.
Good, she's just chasing them up now. They were released this morning, so she's wondering where they are.
Hopefully they'll get here soon. I hope.
He waited.
The tiles still haven't arrived, so we're waiting. Hopefully they'll get here soon.
And he waited.
Poor Adrian.
Are you talking to Elise?
Yeah.
Elise, where are these tiles?
I've called about 50 times. I'm calling now. They're meant to be there this morning, and they're on their way.
Well, on their way is not on their way here.
I know, darling.
That's okay.
But as the tile file mystery deepens, the supplier says the tiles should have made it to the block by now.
Yeah, there's nothing there.
So there's only one thing to do. Send out a search party.
Man, unless they deliver them to the wrong unit. You reckon?
Oh, man, I don't know why they're late.
I don't know.
It's ridiculous.
But the case has now escalated.
They're in the courier with the courier driver, Louis. It's him that's got them.
Righto.
To missing tiles and a missing person.
So the courier driver that delivers everybody's tiles here has gone missing. No one can find Louis.
Meanwhile, at House 4, Tyler Adrian is still waiting for the powder room tiles to turn up.
3 hours I've been waiting, yep. So, at around $55, $60 an hour, it's going to start adding up for him. I've been told it's soon, 2 hours ago, but I don't think it's soon enough.
Adrian! Tiles are here!
Bull.
Our tiles rocked up at about 2:30, 3 o'clock.
Tiles are here. These tiles?
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Holy moly!
Oh, this isn't the floors. This is the walls.
Where the freaking hell's the... Oh, Lord. You're joking. They are the wall tiles.
Wall tiles.
What are you waiting for?
The floors. Now what?
When laying tiles, you start with the floor first, then the first row of wall tiles get laid directly on top, so there's no gaps. And that's something Elise and Matt are all too aware of because of week 4, they had to lay their ensuite wall tiles first. And when it came to lay the floor tiles...
Our tiles weren't thick enough.
So we had to change our floor tiles at the last
Obviously
minute.
fit the gap.
And now there's no floor tiles at all.
Still waiting for the floor. This is the wall. We didn't need these.
Our wall tiles arrived, not our floor tiles, so that was the drama.
I don't know what to do now. I'm not sure what we're going to do.
I do not know where the floor tiles are. I've got the walls, but no floors.
And just when you thought the tile files couldn't get weirder...
What? 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 You're on the tiles. The truck driver just drove over the box of tiles.
What?
He just drove over them.
Who?
The driver.
What the freaking hell?
They all right?
They're broken.
The truck driver backed out and then drove over 2 boxes of our tiles and smashed them.
You can do forensic testing on that if you like. We may have enough, you said. May have enough. Never done the wall first, then the floor. It's like putting your shoes on before your socks. So it's not ideal. Anyway, what do?